That's his Vishwas. See the power of Vishwas. Vishwas liberates you. You have faith in a guru, you're liberated. Your faith breaks, you're stuck. You're stuck until you get another guru and get faith. Faith in God is always there, otherwise what are we sitting here for? We all have faith in God. That's constant, that's a constant. But the guru faith is a variable. If you don't have if you got the wrong size shoe, it doesn't fit. You can't walk properly. So that's why there's a selection process. You look within yourself and say, what path am I, what objective am I looking for? What path am I looking for? And so that's why, if this is your introspection and you come up, this is me. I tick like this. I feel like this. I desire this. Then who is a teacher that will show me this, reveal this path to me, and cultivate this bhav for me? So Krishna will give all those ideas and he'll direct you, go to this guru. That's his stairati. So one who is a master, not master, let's say one who's walking the path of that stairati. You follow my terms? Stairati, Madhurya Ras, Sakira. He will be the best guru, teacher. Now another level is, because if someone is on the level of Gopi Bhav, Madhurati, because all the other bhavas are mixed there, because earth has everything. Water has one quality, fire has two, like this. Then you get earth. Earth has taste. Earth has sound. Everything is there. Taste and sound and smell and everything in the earth. So the guru, this is the analogy of Acharya. So he's there, so he can fully nourish because he has everything with him. The stairati comes from guru. Stairati means your permanent loving relationship. Well, love means prema. So if there's no prema in the heart, how can there be stairati in the heart? There's no bhakti comes from Guru Krishna. So bhakti, bhav, prema, and stairati are one entity. None of it's in the heart. Prabhupada himself says, bhakti pai. You receive bhakti from Krishna or Guru. Krishna means Guru. Guru and Krishna is one. But the practical way that we're getting bhakti is from Guru. We're getting bhakti abhas from sadhusang. We can get bhakti abhas from Krishna Kripa.